From the world of entertainment, popular music producer Soso Soberekon has promised to give 20 million naira to the winner of a rematch between singers Speed Darlington and Portable. This comes after the two singers fought in a celebrity boxing match called Chaos in the Rings, where Portable won. After the fight, Speed Darlington claimed that Portable used juju, which means charms, to win. He went on Instagram to ask for a rematch. Soso Berekon replied in the comments of the post and said, "Rematch 20 million naira for the winner. At Speed Darlington TV, you have my number, or tell the promoters to reach out to me." In the same vein, superstar Burna Boy gave Portable 20 million naira for winning the match, but Portable has said he does not want a rematch with Speed Darlington. Instead, he wants a new opponent. Many fans online shared their thoughts. Some found it funny, while others worried about how serious the fights are becoming. It's still unclear if the rematch will happen, but fans are definitely watching closely. You can as well drop your opinion in the comment box section below. We'll continue to supply you more trendy news updates and exclusive videos. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.